Hi friends, I am Ayanshi French trainer and consultant of Henry Harvin. Honestly, if I'll say something, since my early age, I was very obsessed and passionate about this language French. But I have never thought of this that language love will bring me here and will give me such a good opportunity in terms of career. Right now, as we all know that international language learning is in top of the trends that can give you a boost up in your career. And honestly, if I'll say something, I feel very lucky and blessed that I got an opportunity to work with such a leading and one of the best organization, that is the Henry Harvin. Personally, what I have felt here, that Henry Harvin is bringing revolution to the education industry. There were many courses that were not available for the students so that they can do something different in their career, what they want. But right now, because of this organization, it is available for the learners. As well as when I was learning French, there was no platform for me like this. And I can see that Henry Harvin is also providing you the recorded sessions. If, for example, if you are not available for the today's session, you are not gonna miss this session because you get all of the recorded session over your portal and you can use it for the future purpose also. Whenever you want to revise that session, you can do it anywhere, anytime, according to your wish. So really, like I feel that this is the revolution that's bringing in the education industry. Like there were many courses like, creative content writing and medical writing, Six Sigma Green Belt course, Black Belt course, any of the international language, French, German, Japanese, all are available here. Just I can say that like if you are paying to learn something in Henry Harvin, it's really worth it because Henry Harvin always chooses the best trainers and mentors for their learners. So if you are going to join Henry Harvin, guys, it's the one of the best choice, and I'll recommend each and every one. Guys, if you want to do something different with your career, wants to learn something different and do something creative in your life, definitely you can go with the Henry Harvin. And it's just one of the best organization, just not for the learners as well as the trainers, because Henry Harvin team is so good that I have never felt that I have some work pressure or something like that. They are always manageable. They are always managing the learners as well as the trainers. So it's my one of the best experience, and I'm so blessed that I'm aligned with this organization. Thank you so much.